Hello there, YouTube. I hope all you all are having a blessed day. It's a cold and rainy day here on the mountain, but we do need the rain, so thank you, Jesus. I'm in the mood to do some doodling today, and I have to apologize if my voice sounds weird or loud or quiet. My left ear is very clogged and I'm having trouble hearing. I'm getting an echo in my head. So let me turn the camera around and we'll get started. Okay, this is the sample that I was playing with, and I'm just making little comma or hyphen shapes, quote marks, whatever they are, and I'm just going around and around and around. And I think that I'm going to use my Liang paints from Paul Rubin, and I think I am going to just do a rainbow. So I'm going to go from the bright yellow and work my way all the way around, and we'll see what happens. And this is a watercolor journal. I don't know if it's cotton. It's very, very soft and very, very absorbent. Let's start with the bright yellow, kind of in the middle. Like that, and move my way down the page. I think this one will go in there. And yes, I will be rotating my page because that's what works for me. I have gone all the way to the end of the palette without using the black, and I'm going to start over again with the very first color, the yellow. And we'll just keep going until we run out of space. There's no more room on the page, so I guess we are done. So I hope you enjoyed this fun little video. It's real simple, and if you have this Liang watercolor set, the 52 color, you should be able to do this. This is an 8x8 sketchbook. You should be able to do this if you have this kit. If you don't, I will include a link for you to get this. You can get it in my Amazon store, or I'll tag it as a product on the video itself. And I had so much fun. It was very relaxing. I had an allergy breakdown in the middle, and I had to go away for a couple hours, and my husband gave me an allergy pill, and I'm fine again. It's real simple to do. I know you can do it. It's not very expensive. This was a cheap watercolor sketchbook that I got on Amazon, and the link will be in my Amazon store if you are interested in it. So go make God smile today and play with your colors. I will see you right back here at 70 Acre Studio next time with our next video real soon. I love you all. God bless.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, John Boy. You are